Hey guys, this is Yair from Real Bros Auto Pros. I just wanted to show you guys this final project that we're doing at the Reservation Road shop here in Marina. This was a 8-year ceramic coating. We also did the plastic restoration. As you can see, the plastic looks absolutely beautiful, as well as the front plastic. Now, all the paint got polished. After that, we added our ceramic coating. And as you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. The front windshield was also polished and ceramic coated. Absolutely incredible job. Another thing we added was these stoppers on the sides of both sides. We added them. This is to prevent basically the chips that you get from people opening doors. So now it's going to be really protected. Look at this back bumper with some ceramic coating for the plastic. This is going to be the Fine Labs black ceramic coating. Absolutely incredible stuff. This vehicle also received a headlight restoration. And as you can see, those headlights are absolutely incredibly clear. Now you guys know where you guys can get this done at. We're Real Bros Auto Pros. Our new location is going to be at 1876 Del Monte Boulevard in Seaside, California, 93955. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take it easy. Alrighty, it's over at the new shop. We're going to turn it in today. I just have to add some tire shine. It'll be ready to go.